So I'm gonna let y equal 0. When y equals 0, what's x equal? 5, right? 5. You can just plug in 0 for y. When y equal 1, x equal 7. So 2 points enough. So I got 5, 0 right here. And I got 7, 1. 7, 1. And then I can, now I can draw a line. It's gonna be a dashed line, right? To this less than. Now, like I said, because it's the inequality, this dashed line right here, that's a line of, but we want less than 5. So how do we know which region to shade? Is it gonna be this region or this region? I don't know. So one way you can do is you can test point. My favorite is 0, 0, right? Now, one thing, if the line goes to 0, 0, do not pick 0, 0 for the test line because it's not gonna work, right? Only if it not go to 0. So in this case, it's not going to 0. I'm gonna pick my test point as, so test point. My favorite is 0, 0 right here. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna plug in 0, 0 to the very first inequality. So you plug it back here. So what happened? X0, Y0, is 0 less than 5? Maybe I'll do this. So 0 minus 2 times 0 less than 5. Is it true? Is 0 less than 5? True, right? Thank you, Alex. It's true. That means you can put Alex or Mike or whatever, something else. Say, let's say, give me a point. Give me a point. Pick one. 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3. So 2, 3 is right here, right? Let's say 2, 3. Plug it back, and you don't have to write this down. So x is 2, y is 3, so 2 times 3. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Is minus 4 less than 5? Yes, right? So any point you pick above that line is going to give you an impression that it's less than 5. So, but you only do one. One is enough. I only need one. So that means everything above the line is your solution. I'm just going to highlight it. You can do just line if you have pencil. All right, so one down, one more to go. How about the second one? Y equal, I'll do in red. Y equal -4. Well, again, you said it equal, right? Y equal -4. What does it look like? Is that a horizontal line or vertical line? Do you guys remember? Horizontal, right? Thank you, Mike. So horizontal, and again, is dashed, right? So -4 here. And what do I do next? What do you think I'm gonna do next? How do I know which one to shade? Do I shade above -4, below -4? Pick a test point, right? You pick a test point. You don't know, pick a test point. So test point, again, 0, 0. So that means this is your x, this is your y. Now in this problem, they don't have x in anything. If y is -1, I can say x is 1, x is 2, 5, x. Doesn't matter what x, but y is 0, right? So we're plugging 0 for y. Is 0 greater than -4? Yes, right. Now sometimes it's false. My bad. I should have picked something that I say false. So true. So that means I'm gonna shade above -4. So what is your solution? Solution is, that's your solution, right? That's all you say on the exam. The region where you have a darker color, or where they intersect. Let me ask you a question. Hypothetically, if I say, hypothetically, if this is all Satan, because any point you pick above -4 is going to be false. So the opposite region must be true. I hope the next example, I have that thing. Why don't you guys try this on your own? I'll give you a few minutes. See if I can use my. Let's see. It's 1/2 minus 1. Greater than, less than. Oh. How did I do this? Less than, greater than. If I was you, I would pick x equal 2 instead of 1, because I don't like fraction. If x equal 2, it would be 1/2 times 2 is 1 minus 4 is -2. Let's pick something that you can avoid fraction. Oh, right. Thank you. Thank you. Did I say 1 or 2? Did I say both? Thank you, Haya. It's 3. 1 minus 4 is 3. -3. My bad. It's not here. Show you the grade. Yeah, what's the grade like? Better grade. I had it in my system. Okay, so did you guys finish? Zero, -4, 0, -4 down here. Make sure on the exam, so I know sometimes you can make mistake like 0, -4, and you put it right here. It's just like small mistake. And then 2, -3, 2, -3 right here. It's gonna be a dash line, right? Oops. Small. And then I'm gonna do test point. 0, 0 again. What happened? 0 greater than 1/2 times 0 minus 4. So 0 greater than -4. Well, it's true. So you shade everything above the line. And then the second one, x minus 2y less than or equal to -4. X, let me solve for x first. Let me solve. X is less than or equal to 2y minus 4. You can solve for y, but just I don't like fraction. And then pick a point. I'm gonna pick for y. Just easier. Pick for y. Let me make it equal sign like I told you I do. So when I pick y equals 0, x is -4. Is this the same problem? No. When y equal 1, x is -2. Okay, -4, 0 right here, and then -2, 1. right here. Dash line or solid line? Solid, thank you. And then pick test point. 0, 0 again. See what happened. You're gonna plug it back all the way to original. Okay, when you test point, you're gonna plug that into so let's see, I have 0 for x minus 2 times 0. Is it less than equal to -4? Is 0 less than or equal to -4? False or true? True or false? False, right? -4 is on the left. So false. So that means, so remember, you pick 0, 0 is right there. So that means I'm gonna shade the opposite region, right? I'm gonna shade this right here. And you say the solution is there. So that's how I like you to show your work on the exam. All right. Some people they do they don't do tests, they don't do t-table like I do. Some people do they solve for y and they do rise over run. Same thing, right? You can do it like that if you want. As long as your method is correct. And that's it. And that's it. Okay. So the next thing is I'm going to show you your grade. I'll call you up one by one and show you what you got. If you see something wrong in your grade, let me know so I can fix it now. My plan is after Friday, after your final exam, I'm gonna total your grade. I had to finish within that day because Saturday I'm out of town. I'm literally out of country. So I have to finish everything. You may try to contact me, but I hope I don't get, like, please don't say, Mimi, can I make some extra credit? I can't do that, right? Because everything is in the system already. Unless I make something like really wrong, like I messed up your final grade or something like that. But yeah, if it's not severe, then there's nothing I can do. So on the end.